Hello, welcome to CrochetSmash. Today let us start with making a granny square. I kind of playing with the yarn and came up with this one. It's not really a square. Let us start making a granny square first. So I'm starting with the magic circle, then chain 3. Then for the granny square we are going to make 2 more double crochet, then chain 2, then make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 more double crochet, chain 2, make 3 more double crochet, one, 2, 3. Then chain 2, and we are going to join to the top of the chain 3. Now I am going to cut the yarn, lock this in place. I can tighten the magic circle. Now it looks like this. Here's a square. Now I am going to join blue yarn here, I'm going to make it's better to have a loop on the hook. Now I am going to attach that loop to this corner, then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the middle chain we are going to make 2 double crochet cluster. So what we are going to do is yarn over hook, insert the hook into the stitch, then bring up a loop, then yarn over, then go through the 2 loops on the hook, then again yarn over, insert the hook, bring up a loop, then yarn over, go through the 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. I'm going to yarn over hook, then go through the 3 loops together. Then I am going to make 1 more double crochet into the same corner space. Now we are going to make another cluster just like this. So chain 3, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the top of the double crochet, yarn over hook, go through 2 loops. One more time. Now we have 3 loops. Then we are going to go through all the 3 loops. Then we are going to go to the next corner. So we are going to make same like a double crochet, then a cluster, and a double crochet. Then we are going to make one cluster to move to the next corner. Then again in the corner we are making a double crochet, cluster, and a double crochet. Then make another cluster to go to the next corner. And one more double crochet in the same corner. Then we need one more cluster. Now we reach the beginning, right? So we are going to join here. Oh no, I'm not going to cut the yarn now. Now we make a single crochet. Then we make chain 3. We are going to the next cluster between the spaces. Then we make 3 double crochet together. 1, this is 2, 3. I'll do it one more time. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over and go through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, bring up a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, bring up a loop, then yarn over, go through 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, go through all the 4 loops. Okay, then make chain 3, again make another 3 double crochet together, chain 3, and make another 3 double crochet together. Then chain 3. Go to the next space and make a single crochet. Then chain 3. Then go to the next one and make a clusters. We are making 3 clusters of 3 double crochet together, separated by the chain 3 stitch. Then chain 3 and make a single crochet into the next space. Repeat the pattern. So 4 double crochet here, 4 double crochet here, and the next chain 3 space I am going to make 4 double crochet, 1, not double crochet, 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am going to make yarn over hook and go into the second double crochet I made with the yellow and making an extended double crochet. Okay, now we still have the chain 3 space here, so we are going to make 4 half double crochet. 1 2 3 4. And in each of the chain 3 here above the petals I am going to make 4 single crochet. 3 4, then skip this cluster and going to the next space. 1 2 3 and 4 single crochet. And again here 4 single crochet. Then over this single crochet I am going to make a double crochet to the bottom. Then 1 2 3 4. Repeat this same thing for the other 2 sides and we'll slip stitch to the top of this one. Now we did all the 4 sides and I'm going to join with the slip stitch. So which one you like better, this one or this one? Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please do subscribe and comment and share with your friends who like to crochet. And we will meet again with another pattern in the next video. Till then, bye bye.